In the heart of Ile-Ife stands a house built for a prince who would soon become one of the greatest kings in Yoruba history. This is 2 Minutes Ile-Ife. This is Atobatele House, completed in 1928 by Sir Titus Martins Adesoji Aderemi, a man so regal, the people called him Atobatele, one who sits on the throne before being crowned. Just 2 years after finishing this house, destiny called. In 1930, he became the 49th Ooni of Ife, Oba Sir Titus Martins Adesoji Aderemi the first, reigning for 50 years, a golden era of transformation for the ancient city. From this very home, Ooni Aderemi dreamt of a modern Ile-Ife. He founded Yoruba College in 1932, brought clean water in 1935, introduced telephone service in 1938, and championed education, infrastructure, and progress for his people. Nearly a century later, Atobatele House still stands, not just as bricks and mortar, but as a monument to leadership, vision, and a reign that shaped modern Yoruba history. Atobatele House, where royal destiny was written into the story of Ile-Ife.